What we're going to be talking about is page objects today in EverlightCMS. We've already reviewed pages, and you could already tell we talked a little bit about sidebars are actually page objects. Now we'll go ahead and go to the page objects page. And as you can see in here, page objects can be anything from a sidebar to an element on your home page to footer content. Pretty much any kind of element on a page that we need you to be able to easily update. It can be a page object. So I'm going to show you some examples of page objects. We have footer. We have footer contact info. So we'll go ahead and click Edit on that. And as you can see here, which I'll scroll the page down so you can see everything, that this is actually a page object of the home page of the Hope Center. And we can see that that's this section right here, so that you can easily update this section. Now we can see this is in a different section, so if you were to want to update this, we click back, and I'm pretty sure footer content right here, if you click Edit on that, you can see that that's a page object that's easily editable. Basically, one of the main things that we use page objects for is sidebars, and we're going to kind of get into sidebars here, but kind of another thing you can use a page object for, just while we're on the topic. Page objects can be used to update images in different locations too. So, for example, this Family Day image right here is easily changeable. So we'll go back here, and you'll see Homepage Center Image. So we know if we click Edit, you can see that right there's the Family Day image. And if we wanted to update the link, you go ahead and click on the image, click into the link, and right here you can type in the link that you'd like to point it to. If you'd like to update the image, you just stay clicked on it and click on the little image tag here, and you can actually use the tiny browser and go ahead and click on any image you want to replace it with. You could actually use the upload tab as you can in any other form and browse for new image, upload it, and then go back here and select it. You just want to make sure that the image has the same exact size specs as the one you're replacing, so that it doesn't mess anything up. So that's how easy it is to be able to edit different elements of pages, which we refer to as page objects. Now we've actually created a page, we created a Partner With Us page, and we put a About Us sidebar on it. But what we're going to do today is we're going to go into page objects, and we're going to create a Partner With Us sidebar. So we're going to go ahead, and I actually had already started messing with one, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And we're going to click Add Item. Now a sidebar is very actually simple to make. What you can actually do is you can start from scratch and make one, or you can kind of do the simpler thing, which is another feature of page objects. We can go to one we already know we have. And one of those, for example, I have to go back here to page objects, would be the About Us sidebar. So we'll go ahead and click Edit on that. And we can see that it's actually kind of already the style that we're going to need. So we're going to click Duplicate. And now that we've actually duplicated it, we can go ahead and get rid of this text, and we'll call it Partner With Us, which will be a sidebar. And we're going to jump over here real quick, and we'll type in partner. And then we're only going to need 3 links, so we're going to go ahead and delete those. And then what we're going to do is highlight each piece of text before we actually change it, delete it. And now we're going to type in one-time donations. We'll get rid of this, and we'll type in recurring donations and PayPal donations. And we'll click out of there, and we kind of have our sidebar ready to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to highlight them, and we're going to add links. And I've actually saved the links right here. So we're just going to take those links we've actually already saved and paste them right into where they go. So this is the PayPal link, so I'll go ahead and do it. And this is pretty much how simple page objects can be, and how simple creating your sidebars and updating your sidebars can be. So we'll get recurring donations, and then we'll save and continue edit. Now we can see everything there looks good to go. I'm actually just going to check it just to make sure things are looking right, which, yep, they are. Everything's good to go there. We're actually going to go to our pages, and we're actually going to go to that. We actually created a partner with us page, which is right here. We're going to click Edit, and in the little Select Sidebar drop down, we're going to say Sidebar Partner with Us. Now when we go ahead and save this, it's actually going to put that sidebar we just created on that page. So what we do is we go to the front end, we'll type in Partner with Us, and we should see our sidebar right here, and everything is good to go. That's kind of a quick overview of page objects in EverlightCMS. If you have any questions, just shoot us an email or give us a call, and we can kind of go over things.